name is Nabila Datubintoyen. I am from SMP Persiapan Negeri 3 Agats. Now I am grade 9. This time I want to show you how to make a simple bookmark. Materials are paper, scissors, glue, color markers, cellophane tape, a pen, a punch, and the last material is thread. Steps are: first, cut the paper, carve a rectangle into 4 pieces. Second, keep the papers and stick it with the glue. Third, draw or write something into the paper with the pen or the color marker. Don't forget to make it unique. Then, cover the entire surface of the paper. Use the cellophane tape. Make it like this. Next, make a hole at the paper. Use the punch. Make it like this. Lastly, put the thread into the hole. It like this. Finally, the bookmark is ready.